Hey everyone, Zach here. Try another random thing. This time a comparison to some recent fast food items. The Burger King Flaming Hot Mac and Cheetos and Wendy's recent chicken tenders. Gonna just do a little comparison as little lunch selections. First though, a bit of behind the scenes info. I was originally going to try McDonald's buttermilk chicken strips, but those are now out of season, as well as the recent Burger King chicken strips, which are also now out of season. And I also had to sort of walk my way through crazy drive-through lines at both of those places. So originally it was going to be a 3 chicken strips comparison with the Mac and Cheetos. It's a little bit of a surprise closer, whatever. So if it's sort of a mess, this video is kind of unsatisfactory, that's why. But I've parked in kind of a neutral place, no fast food parking lot. Also got water from home as a palate cleanser. So yeah, first up, the chicken strips. On their own, quite good. Taste a lot like their nuggets. Also got the Sawsome sauce. Not entirely sure what kind of flavors it has. Just know it's kind of like sweet and tangy. Also, I'm usually pretty boring with my fast food chicken. I usually eat it plain. But let's see what it's like. Yep, like they say, sweet, tangy, a little bit smoky. There's probably plenty of barbecue sauces out there with this kind of flavor. It works well with it. Now for the Mac and Cheetos. Nice red there. Also, actually, I don't think I've ever had Flamin' Hot Cheetos or the original Mac and Cheetos, so nice low level of experience to go back on when talking about these. They're quite good though. Do have quite a bit of a kick to them. You can see the mac and cheese. Probably a pretty simple recipe, but works well. And only now did I realize that I didn't take a sip of water between them. But it doesn't. Yeah, that chicken and the sauce doesn't overshadow the mac and Cheetos at all. But they're both good. So of course, if you're in the mood for some good Wendy's chicken and a barbecue-like sauce, and specifically labeled barbecue, you're gonna have the chicken strips and the Sawsome sauce. If you want some cheesy, starchy goodness with quite a bit of spice, get the Flamin' Hot Mac and Cheetos. Again, when I went out today, this isn't what I expected the video to be like, but still some good food. And when they're back in season at McDonald's and Burger King, I'll do a more proper comparison as I originally intended. See you later, folks.